Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular micro ATX motherboards, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi. Both motherboards cater to AMD Ryzen processors, but they come with different features and price points. Join us as we explore their specifications, advantages, and disadvantages to help you decide which motherboard best suits your needs. The MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi features the newer B550 chipset, which supports the latest AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors, providing better performance and future-proofing your build. In contrast, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi utilizes the older B450 chipset, which is compatible with Ryzen 3000, 2000, and 1000 series processors. This difference can significantly impact your choice depending on the CPU you plan to use. When it comes to PCIe support, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi offers PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better performance with compatible devices. On the other hand, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi is limited to PCIe 3.0, which may not fully utilize the capabilities of newer graphics cards and SSDs. This is an essential factor for gamers and professionals who require high-speed data access. In terms of pricing, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi is the more budget-friendly option at $94, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save money. However, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi, priced at $119, offers more advanced features and better future-proofing. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your budget and whether you prioritize performance or cost. To summarize, the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi provides modern features and better performance for a slightly higher price, while the Gigabyte B450M DS3H Wi-Fi is a solid choice for budget-conscious users. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.